Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is level A2, Unit 15, Lesson 3. And in this lesson we're going to be talking about making appointments or arranging meetings. Alright, so first there's some questions. How often do you watch television? How often do you eat at a restaurant? How often do you catch up with a friend over coffee? And how often do you go to the movie theater? So you can just think about those. All right, now we're going to look at Stella's routine here and then answer the question. So we've got Monday through Friday, and we've got some different activities and different times on the chart. So what does Stella do on Monday evening? So if we look at Monday, and the evening would be at about 6:30, so it looks like she has Pilates class. What does she do on Friday afternoon? Well, it looks like she has a guitar lesson at 5 p.m. And is she free on Wednesday afternoon? Well, no. This Wednesday, it looks like she has a 4 p.m. Well, it's a weekly coffee date, so no, she isn't free on, at least at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. She might be free later in the evening, but not at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. All right, so now we're going to listen to Stella and Sid and decide what is the conversation mostly about. So let's listen.
Would you like to go out for dinner next week?
Sure. Which night is good for you?
Well, I usually go to a Pilates class on Monday nights. How about Tuesday?
Tuesday is good for me. Where would you like to go? That Italian place on Market Street?
We always go there. Why don't we try somewhere different?
Sure. That sounds good. Do you have somewhere in mind?
Not really. I just wanted a change.
Well, there's a new Japanese restaurant near my office. We could try that.
I know the place you mean, but I don't really care for Japanese.
Okay, how about Thai? Do you like Thai food? I went to this great place last month. I don't know much about Thai food, but the pad Thai was awesome.
That'd be great! I haven't had Thai food for ages. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called something like Sawadee, but I have no idea how to spell it. I'll send you the details.
Okay, great. Do you think we need to book a table?
Probably not on a Tuesday night, but I'll book one anyway just in case. What time should I book it for?
Maybe 7:30?
Okay, sure. 7:30 it is. I'll see you then. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, Sid. You too.
All right, so what was that conversation mostly about? Well, it was about E going to dinner together. All right, now let's listen again and we'll answer these questions.
Would you like to go out for dinner next week?
Sure. Which night is good for you?
Well, I usually go to a Pilates class on Monday nights. How about Tuesday?
Tuesday is good for me. Where would you like to go? That Italian place on Market Street?
We always go there. Why don't we try somewhere different?
Sure. That sounds good. Do you have somewhere in mind?
Not really. I just wanted a change.
Well, there's a new Japanese restaurant near my office. We could try that.
I know the place you mean, but I don't really care for Japanese.
Okay, how about Thai? Do you like Thai food? I went to this great place last month. I don't know much about Thai food, but the pad thai was awesome.
That'd be great! I haven't had Thai food for ages. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called something like Sawadee, but I have no idea how to spell it. I'll send you the details.
Okay, great. Do you think we need to book a table?
Probably not on a Tuesday night, but I'll book one anyway just in case. What time should I book it for?
Maybe 7:30?
Okay, sure. 7:30 it is. I'll see you then. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, Sid. You too.
All right, what does Stella do on Monday evenings? Well, she says she has Pilates. What night do they decide to go to dinner? Tuesday. What food do they decide on? Thai. And what time do they want to eat? 7:30. All right, so here are some phrases that you can use for making arrangements. And so we're going to try to match the numbered beginnings of each phrase with the lettered ending. So go ahead and try that on your own for a moment, and then restart the video when you're ready to check the answers. All right, so number 1, Tuesday is good for me. And then why don't we try something different? Do you have somewhere in mind? How about Thai? That'd be great. And do you think we need to book a table? All right, now we're going to talk about suggestions and answers to suggestions. So which of these are suggestions? And a hint is a suggestion is often a question, often formed as a question, not always, but usually, generally, it's a question. And then we have the answers to suggestions. So again, take a few moments, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. All right, so Tuesday is good for me. That would be an answer to a suggestion. Why don't we try something somewhere different would be a suggestion. Do you have somewhere in mind? So even though that is a question, I think that could be an answer to a suggestion. How about Thai? That would be a suggestion. That'd be great would be an answer. And how about we book a table at the restaurant? That would be a suggestion. All right, suggestions and responses. In this one, again, you're going to read the suggestion and then match it with the correct response. So go ahead and try that on your own. You can pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart the video when you're ready to check the answers. Okay, so why don't we try the new Korean restaurant? So that probably matches best with D. That'd be great. I would love to try it. What about eating at a cafe? Well, there's a new French cafe around the corner. How about Saturday? No, I'm not free, but Sunday would be perfect. How about we book a table at the restaurant? Definitely, that restaurant is always busy. And why don't we meet at 6 p.m.? I finish work at 6, so I can meet you at 6:30. All right, now see if you can put these sentences in order to make a conversation. This one is number one. Hi, Derek. Would you like to go for a bite to eat tomorrow? And then see if you can put the rest of them in order to make a conversation. So, again, you can pause the video and do that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. All right, so if we start with, Hi, Derek, would you like to go for a bite to eat tomorrow? Then he would probably say, Sorry, I'm not free then, but I'm free on Thursday. And then, Good. Thursday is good for me. How about the cafe on Roberts Road? Then number 4 would be, Well, I don't really like that cafe. Why don't we go to the Mexican restaurant? And then number 5, Perfect. I love Mexican. Why don't we meet at 8 p.m.? And then number 6, That's a little late. How about 7:15? Finally, sounds good. 7:15 it is. I'll see you then. All right, so for each picture, make a suggestion using either why don't we or how about. So again, think about those for a moment and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. So for picture A, it might be why don't we go on a picnic? Or how about going on a picnic? Picture B, why don't we go to a basketball game? How about we go to the movies? Why don't we go to the art museum? How about going to the beach? Or why don't we go to the coffee shop? Okay, how often do you go to the movies? And what kind of films do you like? Now, this looks like it's probably like a thriller or maybe a horror movie. This looks like it's a sad story. And this may be a comedy. Looks like they're laughing, smiling. So what do you think the best title for each description, film description is? So you can either pause the video and do these on your own, or you can follow along as I read. So in this film, a family is lost in the jungles of Africa. A plane rescues the family after 1 month. Well, the title for that might be Survive, because they had to survive for a month in the jungles of Africa. This film follows the life of a famous king of France. Well, that would probably be The Glorious Life of Louis, because France had a lot of kings named Louis. In this film, the star grows up to become a famous scientist. So probably she changed our world forever. This film explains how Moscow became the capital city of Russia, so the imperial city. And in this film, the characters travel to a new planet in the year 2534, a new start. All right, so now see if you can complete the conversation. First, we'll read this description about the movie, and then you can try the answers on your own. So, showing this week, the aliens are here. One evening in late October, a spaceship arrives in Stanley Park, Vancouver. Local man Peter Simons happens to be the first person to meet the aliens. They seem friendly enough, but then another spaceship arrives and another. What exactly are the aliens planning? And here are the days and times that the movie is showing. Right, so see if you can fill in these blanks with the words from the boxes and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. Okay, so the first one is, why don't we see the aliens are here? That'd be awesome. Are you free on Thursday? No, but I'm free the day after. Great. There are 5 showtimes on Friday. What about a late showtime? Perfect. There's a showtime at 10:30. Does that sound okay? Fine. I'll meet you at the cinema at 10:15. Bye for now. All right, now this one, you call a friend on the phone and your friend likes crime films, and so you can make a conversation using the vocabulary for from the lesson. And these are 2 different ways that the dialogue can go, so you can write it out uh, in both ways because there'll be a few differences. And so go ahead and try that on your own and then restart when you're ready to continue. All right, so here we could have person A and person B. So in this one, um, you could say something like, why don't we see the secret code? And if the other person says, yes, that'd be great. And then you can suggest today, how about Friday? Or how about Saturday? Um, in this uh, timeline or part of the flowchart, you could say, why don't we see the secret code? Um, no, I'm sorry, I'm busy this week. How about on Sunday? And then, yes, Sunday would be great. Let's meet at the theater at, I don't know, 2:15. And the other person would say yes, and then goodbye. All right, and then here's another one that, again, you can write out the dialogue uh, with suggestions to see this film and, the 2 people having the conversation. All right, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, please leave those for me in the comments. I hope to see you next time. Bye.